Doesn't Bitcoin unfairly benefit early adopters? Some early adopters have large numbers of Bitcoins because they took risk and invested time and resources in an unproven technology that was hardly used by anyone and that was much harder to securely properly. Many early adopters spent large numbers of Bitcoins quite a few times before they became valuable, or bought only small amounts and didn't make huge gains. There is no guarantee that the price of a Bitcoin will increase or drop. This is very similar to investing in an early startup that can either gain value through its usefulness and popularity, or just never break through. Bitcoin is still in its fancy, and it has been designed with a long-term view. It is hard to imagine how it could be less based towards early adopters, and today's user may or may not be the early adopters of tomorrow.